Hello there. This is for the Beefeater Discovery Griddle, 13-inch, the 94133. Uh, it's porcelain coated. It's cast iron, porcelain coated cast iron, and it's very heavy. It's probably, I don't know, 15, 16 pounds, something like that. The 13-inch wide, the actual measurement is at 12, like 12 and 5/8 inches or so, and I think it's 19. And the perfect, I think it holds heat well, distributes the heat well. It's uh, uh, perfect uh, for doing eggs and shrimp, fish, vegetables, anything you can get on there. You can also sear your steaks as it holds the heat, and the heat's right there. You don't have to worry about it being uneven, or it's nice even heat. Uh, And it also gets much hotter than the grill side. The heat, can't get out. The heat rises, hits the griddle, and heats it up even more. So it's a perfect thing for searing steaks. Sear it on both sides for a couple of minutes, and then move it over. You can get them at www.azgrills.com.